This is purely an entertainment channel, not a how-to channel. I'm new to turning, so if you see something, say something in the comments below. 20 pounds of exotic wood. Let's see what we got. Nice. Not too bad. Oh, it's not labeled though. And there's some small pieces. Oh wow, it's all like plank wood. Ah, jeez, what do we have here? None of it's labeled again. Oh, I don't know why I'm always disappointed with this. This is the... Alright, as requested by a personal friend of mine, not a gift for him, but he wanted to see it made, and I've been wanting to do it. This has been a project in the making. We're going to make a beer koozie, or a koozie for a can, could be a soft drink. And what I pulled out of that last box, and the previous box of smaller pieces of wood, is Purpleheart on either end, with Purpleheart in the center for a little spacer, Zebrawood, and this yellowish wood that I also cut into spacers, top and bottom, and for the center, which I believe might be Osage, but I'm not sure. It wasn't labeled. It's not pine. And it's not canary wood. I don't know exactly what it is, but I think the colors are going to match my beer nicely. Let's get started.
Sunglasses looking so right, hitting the streets in my old man Chevrolet, looking for a good time and then some, kick it with my friends in the hot sand. I got a song blasting by the Zach Brown band, yeah. Got a case of cold beer, ain't gonna last long here. I'll pick my friends up at the pier. They're all like kicking it high, kicking it low, making noise like a big truck show. Raising hell is the way to go. Yeah, we're kicking it fast, kicking it slow, bouncing around like a rodeo. Bad girls wanna rock and roll. Yeah, we're kicking it. Getting the buzz around 3 o'clock, tanning in the bed of my big truck, waiting on the right heat on the barbecue. Big old waves and a clear sky, life's good out here, and I wonder why anybody would ever leave this place. Yeah, the bar at the beach sells margaritas in the big shelves. Let's all go crazy, baby.
I'm going to try and say this just one time. Wow, look at that. Look, this middle band here, that's chatoyance. Oh, look at that. Just look at that. And then the zebra stripes, they look more like tiger stripes, and they even got some chatoyance going on. The spacers have got it, the Purpleheart's got it. I mean, just shining like crazy. This shine is not due to the OB shine juice. That happens to be just the natural luster of the wood and bringing it to 600, 800 grit to get that kind of shine. It's just, wow, is that beautiful. Okay, now the important thing. Yes, sir, it has a use. Love it. Like it. I hope you did too. If you did, hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not already, and that notification bell. Thanks for giving me a turn on your screen, and we'll see you next week. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good day's work right there. Look at that. That's beautiful. That is so nice. Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't figured it out by now, I'm going to start that over. And with that being said, let's laminate this sucker and make it into a beer koozie. My dang phone, I don't care. Let's move. That was a good project. Oh man. I wonder what the guys down at Horseshoes are gonna think. They're gonna be like, dude, make me one.